So the insurance industry is facing a fast changing landscape. Companies are looking for strategies around operational flexibility, reducing system and data silos to effectively utilize data and provide the right people and processes to succeed in a dynamic business environment.
So I think this gives a little bit better overview on how we look at the different layers within our cloud and how they connect towards each other. And what you see in the top layer, everything drives around data. We believe that if you can capture and analyze the data as a company in the best possible way, it will not only drive the optimization towards your customers, but also internally help to give your employees the best resources to serve your customers.
And we were concerned that this would be a lot of investment for us that could well not get us a lot of return. What's really interesting and has shocked us is, admittedly with COVID as well in the background, but we launched the product online full cycle in June, and by the end of October, getting on for 2/3 of all of our clients, some of which would have been with us for 10 years plus, used to doing it a certain way, are actually buying online. Another interesting stat that's not on here is a third of those buyers are actually buying out of hours, so they're not buying 9 to 5 anymore. Now, a small broker in Bristol has been able to put together this product because costs are coming down, and it's really interesting. I think that just shows what the clients want. We've been pretty surprised by that. Interestingly, in the background, that sits on Microsoft Azure, and we use Power BI to look at the data analytics. So it's been really interesting so far.
And here we see the Microsoft Customer Engagement Platform at the core of the digital transformation, with ISV Connect partners such as Solgari and Traviata, adding greater value around the 360-degree view of customer, broker, and prospect.
Because of the way we've pulled together today's webinar, it's going to be myself and Bjorn taking the lead here, with Bjorn looking very much at the top layer here, which is that full CRM and insurance specific capabilities. So what we mean by that is we're going to look at Traviata in action inside Dynamics 365. And what you'll actually see as part of his use case is Solgari in action also from the communications element. After that, he's going to hand back to me, and I'm going to show you a bit around and talk a bit around our full integrated channel capabilities. So working across voice, video, SMS, and more, along with the very important contact center functionality, which in the insurance and financial services industry is very, very important. Looking at queuing, call recording, all of those important things. And then we'll briefly touch upon the compliance side of things. So PCI DSS compliance around payments, call recording and communication recording, and all of those things that are very important to our customers in the insurance sector.
And I'm going to the environment of the actual user. So it can be a person who's working in your contact center. It can be the broker, for example, because you can do it for brokers also. And this is what he'll see. I have my main dashboard, of course, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the Solgari solution. So I'm already logged in, so I'm available and I'm ready to get calls. So if I'm starting up now, I will be calling to the call center, and as you can see, I'm receiving automatically the incoming call. Since I know the telephone number, I'm just going to pick up. Since I know the telephone number, he also knows which contact is calling.
Just to recap, some of the challenges that we've seen, struggling to deal with remote working due to on-premise or legacy communication systems, concerned how remote working is causing compliance and regulatory issues around communications, business growth and transformation constraints by legacy systems because of a need to keep and access that historical data. And also information silos hampering salespeople's ability to leverage the information that's in your current systems. No ability to prompt for upsell, cross-sell. So these are the challenges and these are the impacts, being available anywhere, anytime, compliantly, scale, with your business. There's no longer a CapEx solution that you need to buy to fit 500 people or 200 people or 10 people. You need however many your business needs from a services perspective. So SaaS delivers that. Start with what you need and flex with the business. With Solgari, you can flex up, you can flex down. You're not constrained to the legacy type solutions. fast deployment. We were able to bring 2,000 users live in conjunction with Microsoft and Solgari recently. So that old way of thinking where projects were cumbersome and costly, and there was a huge focus on integration projects, that then needed to be maintained. It's all gone. You deliver within Dynamics, you deliver efficiently and swiftly. And the impact there is immediate digital transformation.